This week we are talking all about turns. We're going to start with tomorrow and buckle down on how to get ready to turn. The process that is really important so that way you're not just spinning around and falling over. And we're going to talk later on in the week about prep and proper alignment. We're going to go over some of the issues that arise when we are practicing our turns and performing them, and some general rules of thumb that I like to abide by when my dancers are training and practicing. And last but not least, we'll go over some really fun types of turns that you're able to do, like ground pirouettes and different things of that nature. All of these items that we're going to discuss this week and dive into detail practicing are really important for us being able to have stronger turns, and they're just different ways that we are able to really increase our abilities. And through all of this, just having patience with the fact that you're not just going to be turning overnight. It takes a lot of hard work to do them technically accurate and not just flailing around. So I will see you tomorrow when we get started on how to get ready for turns. I will see you then.